Greetings, future traders. Have you ever envisioned yourself as a successful trader, but you're unsure how to start? Well, let me introduce you to Tradeday.com, a platform that can turn your dream into reality. Tradeday is not just an ordinary trading group. It's an innovative platform, a launchpad for ambitious traders worldwide. When you join Tradeday, you get access to an exclusive members area packed with all the tools and resources necessary to gain an upper hand in the market. Whether you're a part-time trading enthusiast or you're aiming to make trading your full-time career, Tradeday is here to support you. One unique feature that sets Tradeday apart is its incredibly attractive profit-sharing model. You get to keep 100% of your first $5,000 in profits and 90% thereafter. This is one of the most competitive rates in the industry. At Tradeday, your success is our success. As you become more profitable, we will increase your capital allocation. This encourages continuous growth and improvement, creating a win-win environment for both sides. If you're ready to challenge yourself and become a funded trader, Tradeday.com is exactly what you're looking for. Visit us today to start your trading journey. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and follow us for the latest updates. Happy trading! Greetings, future traders.